How to delete your Apple ID account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can delete your Apple ID account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to delete our Apple ID account, first of all, you have to go to the privacy and web page of Apple. And for that, I will make sure to drop a direct link in the description box, or you could just go ahead and type in privacy.apple.com/account. So I repeat again, privacy.apple.com/account on your web browser, whether you're on iOS, whether you're on Mac, whether you're on Windows. As long as you know your Apple ID password, you can delete the account. So just log into that URL and it will ask you for your Apple ID password. So just go ahead and then enter your Apple ID, and once you are logged in, it will give you this kind of interface, whether you want to deactivate your account or whether you want to delete your account. So you just have to click on the request to delete your account, which is basically at the bottom of the screen, and you have to make sure to follow the recommended steps before deleting your account. When ready, choose a reason and click on the continue button. So it says to help improve our services, select a reason for your request. So just go ahead and select a reason, enter the credentials, and then just hit the continue button at the bottom of the screen. You can also go ahead and then temporarily deactivate your Apple ID account, but this is only the process to permanently delete it. Hope this video helped you and cleared the confusion as to how you can delete your Apple ID account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.